How to make money online. If you want to earn money, then first, you need to know how to make money. There are many online markets that offers you to make money online. Making money online from home is the sweetest point. People do online work for a side income or for a full-time income. Work from home is all-time the best option. But people don't know how and where to get started. We will tell you how and where to get started. In this video we will talk about top 3 ways to make money online. Number 1. Freelance. There are tons of online money-making websites where you can post your skills and interact with people who you can work for. Here are some top freelance websites, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, designing, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Number 2. Test jobs. One more method for bringing in cash from home. From websites like usertesting.com. You get compensated for your considerations on how well or not so well certain sites and applications work. You'll need to pass through a short assessment to be acknowledged. Then you'll be paid $10 for every 20 minutes test, which includes a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or then, again you could procure up to $120 to take part in a video discussion with a client after your test. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Make money from your blogs as an affiliate. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sounds good, right? If you're a blogger who gets fair traffic, you could bring in cash by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate, that's you. Get paid when someone clicks from the site to the partner site and purchases something there. A blogger can make a lot of cash along this way. This was for today. Go and explore the world and achieve your goals. We hope that this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and for your support. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Wish you best of luck with your successes.